Hi everyone out here, this is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Bitcoin once again. Thank you for your support. Big up the CoinsKid crew. So straight off the bat, if you see Bitcoin roll over, come to your charts, put some cheeky bids on this level of support on the 4-hourly time frame. Just put some cheeky bids on 51740 because that would add as an enormous level of support in this bull market for Bitcoin. But potentially it might not roll here, and I'm going to show you a couple of patterns as to why I don't think it will necessarily roll. The healthy thing, like I said to you in yesterday's video, would be for it to roll, okay? But I think that Bitcoin is that bullish and that heavily supported right now that I do think you're on a cusp of a little breakout here for Bitcoin. Again, not financial advice, nothing to say is financial advice, but on the hourly time frame here, there was a bit of a head and shoulders pattern that was forming. But I think right now that potential play has been invalidated. So there are a couple of bullish patterns here that for me are starting to form for Bitcoin. Okay, you're potentially putting in a cup and handle pattern there, a level of resistance. Let me show you right now. Look at that. Okay, so you've got that level of resistance and you've got this basically little handle. You're coming back on yourself like that and a zigzag, boom 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 boom. You've some kind of ABC correction in there, you know, hourly time frames. It's all good. It's everything works in waveforms. Okay, so right now if you start to break that level of resistance and start to come up, you've put this beautiful little cup and handle in on the hourly time frame, and for me you've got a little breakout. Okay, so from there to there you've got a beautiful little breakout where you break this level of resistance for Bitcoin. So say you start to see Bitcoin come up on the hourly and break above 56.018, I do think you're looking at that little breakout there for Bitcoin, and that could offer a beautiful little long up of around about 3.91% for Bitcoin. But obviously if you start to lose the EMAs here on the hourly, because you can see you're being supported by them like a boss, look at that, and essentially some kind of upper ascending triangle as well, you know, it's bullish continuation patterns. You're coiling up for some kind of break. Now if you do start to roll out, just put some cheeky bids on the 4-hour 55 EMA. It really is that simple, because you can see, you know, that will act as a key level support, and it's where the swing high is as well. So boom, that's it. You know, again, not financial advice, and nothing to say is financial advice. It looks like a whopping correction, but it's not. You know, from there to there is only around about 6%, and that's nominal. You know, Bitcoin does that all the time on the way up. So for me, yeah, you've got a beautiful little cup and handle pattern there. You've got a continuation pattern. You've equally, if you look here, you know, you've basically got an ascending triangle there. So there's all sorts of patterns here at the moment. You've got high lows and basically a beautiful W bottom pattern just there. Look, W bottom pattern. You broke out, you ran into the key level resistance, which was this of the cup and handle that you're creating. You're coming back, you've made a higher low, you're bullish. Okay, so for me right now, if you start to do something like that, you've got a beautiful another little W bottom pattern. Do you see that? And a larger one, look, you've got W bottom pattern. It's all beautiful bullish reversal patterns, you know. So if you start to break out this level of resistance, this is a really key level of resistance right now, 56018. If you start to see Bitcoin come up and break that, you've got a beautiful little impulsive wave up to that technical target just there, okay, for Bitcoin. So that's basically a quick little update for you for Bitcoin today. Hope you enjoyed that. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.